Did you know there are different types of blockchains? Let's find out what they are and how they differ. Blockchains are used for different purposes. There are 4 types of blockchains. Think of them as islands in the ocean. Each island has its boundaries, population, rules, and governmental structure. Some islands, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, are open to everyone. These are public blockchains. Anyone can join, exchange information and resources, and even build new structures using the island's resources. Public blockchains thrive on principles of decentralization and transparency, welcoming anyone who wants to be part of their ecosystem. Their governance relies on consensus mechanisms like proof of work or proof of stake. Then, there are the more secluded islands, private and consortium blockchains. These are exclusive, restricted areas where only a select few can enter. Private blockchains are typically used within organizations for internal processes and are controlled by a central entity. Consortium blockchains are permissioned but managed by a group of organizations rather than a single entity, promoting decentralized control within a closed network. Since we're not allowed to land there, let's sail on. Next, we have hybrid blockchains. These islands have both open and restricted areas, combining the best of both worlds. They allow some activities and data to be public while keeping other aspects private. One example is Dragon Chain. It was developed by Disney and allows businesses to use a private chain for building public blockchain applications. All of these islands are isolated, but look closer. Bridges connect them, known as cross-chain bridges. These bridges allow residents to exchange information and resources safely and securely. For example, if someone on Bitcoin Island needs Ethereum, they can use these bridges to trade their Bitcoin for Ethereum using smart contracts and other technologies. Each blockchain island has its purpose and rules, but together they create a vast and interconnected ecosystem. And you can be a part of it too. Any questions? Ask in the comments.